firstly, how are you doing? That was obviously quite an impact. I think a lot of people were quite worried with the way that it all went down.
Yeah, I think it was a bit worse than it looked like. But yeah, it's of course not what you want to happen.
This is the last interview you're doing.
Okay.
No, that's okay. Yeah, that incident you were talking to.
Yeah, and then of course then we saw that it was going to be tied into turn one, and Lewis of course also realized that. So after the white line, he immediately moved to the left on the braking. So I already had to move on to the green side of the next to the track. But then nevertheless, I thought we were going to have a nice fight into turn one, through turn two. But as soon as I was next to him, he just kept on squeezing me more and more to the left. And I still thought, we'll just have enough space to make it into turn two. But unfortunately, he ran me a bit too much out of road. So then I clipped the sausage curb, and that's why we touched.
Have you had a chance to chat to him, or will you chat to him?
No, I mean, in that heated moment, it's better to just walk off and everyone just to calm down. Yeah, I'm sure we'll talk about it.
Before that, you obviously had that slow pit stop, so before that, it could have gone much better.
Yeah, I think today a lot of things went wrong. Start went wrong, strategy went wrong, pit stop went wrong. So a lot of things to analyze. I think overall, we were always quite strong in a lot of things, but today, a few weaknesses which we'll try to analyze and do better.